Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring a place that's straight out of a storybook, the mini desert of Talakad. Located in Karnataka, India, this unique destination is a fascinating blend of history, mystery, and natural beauty. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of this enchanting desert. Talakad is famous for its vast stretches of sand dunes, which are often referred to as the mini desert. But here's the twist, it's not your typical desert. Surrounded by the lush greenery of the Kaveri River basin, this place is a rare geographical phenomenon. Legend has it that the desertification of Talakad was the result of a curse by a queen centuries ago. Spooky, right? One of the most fascinating things about Talakad is the contrast between the sandy dunes and the flowing Kaveri River. It's like two worlds colliding in the most beautiful way. The sand here is so fine and soft, making it a perfect spot for some fun activities like sandboarding or just running around like a kid. But Talakad isn't just about the sand. This place is steeped in history. Over the centuries, the sand has buried several ancient temples, and only a few have been excavated. The most famous ones are the Vaidyanatheshwara Temple and the Kirtinarayana Temple. These temples are not just architectural marvels, but also hold immense spiritual significance. According to local legends, the temples were buried due to the curse of Queen Alamalama, who cursed the Wodeyar dynasty and the land of Talakad. The curse is said to have 5 elements, one of which is that Talakad would turn into a desert. And well, here we are, standing in the middle of it. After exploring the desert, you can head to the banks of the Kaveri River for some tranquility. The river is considered sacred, and many pilgrims come here to take a dip, believing it washes away their sins. It's also a great spot for a picnic or just to sit back and enjoy the serene surroundings. No trip is complete without trying the local food. Talakad offers some delicious Karnataka delicacies like bisi belly bath, Mysore pak, and ragi mude. The flavors are rich, and the hospitality of the locals will make you feel right at home. Talakad is truly a place like no other. From its mysterious sand dunes and ancient temples to the serene Kaveri River, it's a destination that will leave you in awe. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or just someone looking for a unique experience, Talakad has something for everyone. See you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring.